Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Inspiron 3584. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and lift right hinge. Now unscrew and lift left hinge. Next, unscrew, then disconnect bracket and wireless card. Then disconnect display cable. Next, disconnect and remove speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect mouse button. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and disconnect input-output board. Now unscrew and disconnect LED board. Then unscrew and disconnect solid-state bracket. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Now disconnect motherboard cable. Then unscrew and remove motherboard. Then separate display assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.